So what goes into a good financial or durable power of attorney? So it should list all the powers that you want your agent to have. And there's a couple different ways you can do this. You can either list it very specifically with all the different institutions and so forth. And by the way, if you hear my dog breathing, yeah, he's sleeping on me. But you could also do it in a way where it's just a big checklist and it just says all the powers possible. So I've seen it both ways. They both are equally effective. So it can, again, be something like a 10-page document or a 3-page document. But you want as many powers as possible given to your agent. The other thing you want to see on there is at least 3 agents, I would say, especially if you're picking someone who's close in age to you. You want backups to the backup, because if your backup passes away, if your chosen agent passes away, let's say you choose your spouse and they pass away before you, if you name your best friend after that, they might have also passed away already. So then you need to name somebody else, right? So lots of people, just in case the worst happens. You also want to make sure that their phone numbers are on there so that they are able to be reached in case of emergency. And you may also want to have a HIPAA waiver on there so that they can access your medical records to see what type of financial assistance you need, because they can't hire and pay for a proper caregiver unless they know what type of care you need, right? So even though it's a financial document, it's important that they have access to your medical records as well. I've seen some forms that are a little skimpy, or they don't name enough people. If you only name one person, you're in real danger. Anything could happen to that person, and then you would have no one.